I'd like to spend a few moments with you to introduce Teradyne's Factory of the Future Test Data Connectivity Solution for manufacturing and functional tests. Teradyne's printed circuit board test solution is Test Station, which delivers comprehensive manufacturing process and product test capability. Test Station delivers rapid device verification, parallel device programming, and functional pre-screen capabilities for both inline and operator-managed test applications. Today's homes, cars, and appliances connect to our personal electronics with network connectivity. We can easily monitor and control our large electronic systems remotely. That same connectivity revolution has come to electronics manufacturing. PCBA manufacturing systems can interconnect to provide monitoring, feedback, forward control, and optimized performance. With increased product and manufacturing complexity, intermediate product and process tests are required. For observable defects, vision inspection verifies printing and component placement quality. For component and functional defects, Test Station systems perform both part value and operational testing to verify final product and process quality. In the back-end test area, offline Test Station systems are commonly used with cobots for work cell automation. Test Station test systems can also be integrated for full automated lights-out testing. During tests, large amounts of process and product measurement data are produced. This data can inform production staff of process stability, product quality, and emerging issues. To collect and to use the data, a connectivity infrastructure must be in place. A central data model connecting each system to an enterprise server is most common. Increasingly, real-time machine-to-machine connectivity is required, allowing data to travel to any destination. Smart4Metrics is a comprehensive solution supporting both central and machine-to-machine data connectivity wherever it is needed. Data connectivity can require substantial implementation effort due to new equipment models, unique protocols, data format alignment, and compliance to industry standards such as IPC-CFX. Smart4Metrics development environment provides open APIs, an integrated database, a built-in web application server, and support for third-party plugins. This allows our customers and development partners to build efficient data connectivity applications with less development resources. Smart4Metrics provides web-based dashboards to monitor system temperatures, pressures, calibrations, power levels, fan speeds, statistics, and other key system operating metrics. This operating data enables users to observe production quality, monitor production trends, and maximize machine utilization with adaptive preventive maintenance and calibration. In tomorrow's smart factory, collected operational and product big data will help manufacturers proactively control and manage machine operation, delivering high yield and productivity levels. Teradyne Smart4Metrics, our Factory of the Future product and process data solution for Test Station.